Welcome to Helpful Solution. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Xbox One not turning on. Let's dive in. The first step you have to follow, check power connections. For this purpose, you have to verify power cable is clearly connected, inspect the cable for damage, test the power outlet with another device, try a different outlet, reset the internal power supply. For this purpose, you have to unplug the power cord from the console, wait for 10 seconds, plug it back in. Press the Xbox button to turn on the console. Inspect for overheating. For this purpose, you have to place the console in a well-ventilated area. Ensure vents are not blocked. Clean the vents with compressed air. Check for controller issues. For this purpose, you have to press the Xbox button on the controller to turn on the console. Ensure the controller has fresh batteries or is charged. Use the console's power button if the controller doesn't work. Examine HDMI connections. For this purpose, you have to ensure the HDMI cable is connected to the HDMI output port on the console. Test with a different HDMI cable or another TV. Perform a power cycle. For this purpose, you have to press and hold the Xbox button for 10 seconds to turn off the console. Unplug the power cord and wait for 10 seconds. Plug the power cord back in and power on the console. Contact Xbox port. Visit the Xbox port website. Follow additional troubleshooting steps. Arrange for repair if necessary. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.